Let me show you how to join Sovra Waitlist. So Sovra is a new project which is said to have raised $2 million plus in pre-seed. It's the fintech platform that provides people with a global dollar account, and it has raised more than $2 million in pre-seed funding. The round was led by Phasalos Capital with participation from leading regional and global angel investors, including Naguibes and so on. Directly from their mobile phones, Sovra users can hold digital dollars, earn yield, send money globally in seconds, and spend with a card that works anywhere, all from a self-custodial account can only be accessed by the user. So you can go through all of this at your convenient time and pace to understand better what Sovra is about, right? After going through all of that, the join list button is here, but then let's see here, it says just you and your money, your global dollar account, send, earn, spend, and transact with anyone, anywhere. Let's click on the menu here, about, learn, support, home, about. We build the simplest way to own, protect, and grow your money yourself. We believe your money should be free. Our ecosystem, Base, Visa, MasterCard, Cycle, Morphos, Solana. By giving people sovereign, self-custodial alternatives to fragile fiat and banking systems, Sovra is helping restore financial dignity in Lebanon and beyond. So let's click on Join Waitlist here. So you are to provide your first name and your email address, and then you click on Save My Spot. And it says you're in. We email you the moment Sovra is ready. Keep an eye on your inbox, right? So it's that simple. Sovra is a technology company, not a bank or a financial institution. Provides non-custodial wallet software and related technology. So by providing your name and your email address, you have joined the waitlist, and further information, further updates will be communicated to you via the provided email. So keep your eye on your inbox, right? So that's just how to join Sovra waitlist. So thanks so much. We'll be getting to know more about the platform or more benefits that are there for us to enjoy for joining this waitlist. So keep an eye out. Thanks, and do have a wonderful moment. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial expert, so you endeavor to do your research and be responsible for actions taken after watching this. Do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.